M&Ms presents Day of the Trapped, a new sweet way to feed friendships and alleviate the feeling of being trapped. We restored the kindness and sweetness of people by building a bespoke gifting platform and used the power of social media to spread the love. It was a way for people to say thanks for staying at home and keeping everyone safe. Through eye-catching posts on M&M's Facebook and Instagram channels in Bogota, Medellin, and Cali, we let people know they could order one free M&M's chocolate bar with one condition. It couldn't be for you. It had to be for a friend to bring some sunshine to their COVID isolation. Our posts drove people to a landing page where they could add their friends' delivery details. A unique registration process on WhatsApp allowed as many people as possible to get involved. Our chocolate bars reached people's homes with a personalized card and an invitation to share their gift on social media. Colombians went crazy to give their loved ones with an M&M's chocolate bar. Even though the campaign was planned for an entire month, we were out of stock in just 76 hours. We captured more than 10,000 user registration details, useful data to find lookalikes and drive sales. All with just $176, less than 1% of the initial budget brief planned for this campaign.